Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today we will present our project titled Working Capital Practices and Sustainability in Malaysia MSME focusing on Dinora Enterprise. This study aims to examine the working capital management practices and sustainability initiative implemented by the business. Before we begin, let me introduce our group members. This project was completed by a group of 5 members. First, Nur Shakila binti Abdullah. Second, Nur Husna binti Othman. Third, myself, Nur Husnina Nadira binti Razali. Fourth, Suleha binti Ibrahim. And finally, Nur Julita Aisyah binti Ahmad Sufian. Together, we conduct the interview, collected the data, and prepared the report and presentation. Now, let us move on to the company profile and interview finding on Dinora Enterprise.
Hi, my name is Suleha. Now we will present our report regarding the company Dinora Enterprise. Dinora Enterprise is an MSME in FM industry owned by Madam Nora. The business operates as a sole proprietorship and has 2 branches in Setiu with approximately 30 employees. The interview was conducted with Ms. Sofia, who is responsible for maintaining the accounting record. Based on the interview, all the transactions are recorded manually, while major financial decisions are made by Madam Nora. Next is element of working capital of Dinora. Firstly, Dinora have current asset which is cash and inventory. Cash is important for daily operations such as purchasing raw material, paying employees and covering other business expenses. Inventory is referred to the stock of food, ingredients and supplies used in preparing meals for customer. Next, for current liabilities, Dinora has account payable, which represent amount owed to supplier for purchasing made on credit. However, account receivable is not applicable because customer has to make immediately payment in cash or through online transfer. Next part is importance of working capital management in the financial health of the business. Firstly, working capital management ensures smooth operation. Adequate working capital helps the business avoid liquidity problems and ensure the supply payments, employee salaries and purchases of raw materials can be made on time. As a result, daily operation can run smoothly without disruption. Secondly, it improves profitability. It allows the business to operate more efficiently and generate higher profits. The profits earned can be reinvested into the business, such as for marketing activities, improving service, or expanding operation. Lastly, working capital management supports business growth and sustainability. With a stable financial position, Dinora Enterprise is better able to face business challenges and uncertainties. This can be seen from the company's successful expansion through the opening of its second branch in Chalok, which demonstrates its growth potential and long-term sustainability.
Hi, my name is Nur Husna. Today I will present the cash operating cycle, the role of stakeholder and ESG integration in Dinora business. Firstly, the cash operating cycle refers to the process of converting cash into inventory, then back into cash through sale. Dinora use cash to purchase raw materials such as seafood, chicken, fish and other fresh ingredients. These raw materials are then prepared into finished goods, mainly village cuisine meal, which are sold to the customer. Since the customer make immediate payment through cash or e-wallet, Dinora can collect cash quickly after each sale. The cash quality is then used to restore inventory, pay employee, settle utility bills, and cover other operating expenses. This continuous cycle helps the business maintain a healthy cash flow and support its daily operation. Next is the role of stakeholder. Stakeholder play an important role in ensuring the effectiveness of Dinora cash operating cycle. One of the key stakeholders is the supplier. Supplier provide the raw materials required for daily operation and help ensure a continuous supply of fresh ingredients. A good relationship with supplier can reduce the risk of shortage and may also provide benefits such as priority supply and bulk purchase discount. Another important stakeholder is the customer. Customers are the main source of cash inflow for the business. Since Dinora only accepts immediate payment and does not offer credit sale, cash can be collected promptly. This helps the business maintain liquidity and continuous finance its operation. Dinora also integrate ESG principle into its business operation. For the environmental aspect, Dinora reduce food waste by preparing food in small quantity to avoid excess unsold food. And for the social aspect, the business provides 3 meals a day to employees, helping to improve their well-being and motivation. For governance, Dinora ensure that salaries are paid on time and employees perform tasks according to their designated job scopes and creating more efficient and trustworthy working environment.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shakilah binti Abdullah. Now, let's begin with our performance dashboard. Our liquidity position is exceptionally strong. Dinora boasts a current ratio of 4.0 times and a quick ratio of 3.0 times, meaning we have 3 to 4 ringgit of highly liquid asset for every single ringgit of immediate debt. The safety buffer is driven by our zero-day collection policy. By utilizing direct cash and QR payments, we carry virtually zero account receivable or bad debt risk. On the operation side, our efficiency is stellar. Our inventory turnover is 57.6 times per year, meaning fresh ingredients are replenished every 58 times annually. This virtually eliminates food waste and storage overheads. Furthermore, we pay our suppliers in just 1.9 days, securing premium super loyalty. Ultimately, this high velocity model means every 1 ringgit invested in net working capital lasts an incredible RM32 ringgit in Sarapin. While our numbers are excellent, they present a classic financial paradox: liquidity versus profitability. Having a 4.0 times cover ratio is incredibly safe, but keeping excess cash idle generates zero yield. To optimize this, Dinora must strike a balance. First, Dinora must maintain a disciplined cash cushion to isolate the business during seasonal traffic dips, such as the local monsoon and rainy season. Second, we must strategically redeploy any surplus cash above this buffer directly back into the business. Reinvesting in outlet modernization, kitchen technologies upgrades, and menu expansion will turn our ideal capital into active long-term revenue drivers. Next, I will discuss inventory management and sustainability practices at Dinora. Inventory management refers to the process of controlling and monitoring stock level to ensure products are available when needed, while minimizing unnecessary costs and waste. Based on our interview with Ms. Sofia, the business has implemented several inventory management practices to improve operational efficiency. For its current inventory management system, Dinora uses manual inventory tracking to write stock record and priority stock check. According to Ms. Sofia, every item entering and leaving the business is recorded to ensure stock levels remain under control. In addition, Dinora monitors customer demand and sales trend to avoid both overstocking and stock shortage. This helps the business maintain sufficient inventory while reducing unnecessary storage costs. Although the current manual system is effective for a small business, a digital inventory management system could further improve inventory accuracy, efficiency, and real-time stock monitoring. Overall, Dinora's inventory management practice help ensure smooth business operation and effective inventory control. Next, I will explain how Dinora use EOQ and JIT to reduce costs and support sustainability. According to Ms. Sophia, EOQ is suitable for dry and non-perishable items because it helps reduce ordering and storage costs while preventing excess inventory. Meanwhile, JIT is used for fresh products such as chicken and fish. Orders are placed when stock level become low, which help reduce spoilage, food waste, and storage requirement. In terms of sustainability, Dinora also applies the FIFO method to reduce expired product, recycle cardboard boxes, and plastic material, and reuses or donates unsold but usable product whenever possible. This product help Dinora minimize waste, reduce costs, and promote environmental sustainability.
Hi, my name is Nurjita Aisyah binti Ahmad Sufian, and I will be presenting the recommendation and suggestion for Dinora. Based on our findings, Dinora has managed its business quite well, especially in handling daily operations and inventory. However, there are still some improvements that can be made to support the company's future growth. Firstly, Dinora should consider implementing a digital accounting and inventory management system. Currently, most records are maintained manually using a cash book. By adopting a digital system, the company can improve the accuracy of financial records, reduce human errors, and monitor inventory levels more efficiently. Secondly, Dinora should strengthen its working capital management by preparing regular cash budgets and cash flow forecasts. This is important because the business relies heavily on daily sales revenue to cover operating expenses such as purchasing raw materials, paying utility bills, and employee wages. Better cash flow planning can help ensure sufficient funds are available for daily operations and future business growth. Thirdly, Dinora should continue enhancing its sustainability practices. The company already demonstrates good efforts through recycling activities and reducing food waste. However, this initiative can be further improved by encouraging environmentally friendly packaging and strengthening waste management practices. In summary, this recommendation can help Dinora improve its operational efficiency, maintain financial stability, and support long-term business sustainability. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you.